This is our second grade learning success kit. It features over 18 activities for math, ELA, and SEL. Let's take a look at what's inside. It starts with an activity book, which features a letter to the family in both English and Spanish. It features 2 journals, 1 math and 1 ELA, a math game called Place Value Spin Zone, where the kids can practice their place values, tiny take-home books, 6 of them with little stories for the kids to read. It features 2 math dry erase mats that are double-sided and 3 ELA dry erase mats that are double-sided. They also come with the dry erase marker with a little eraser on the end. When the kids make mistakes, they have an easy way to clean those up. And this kit also comes with some great tools. The tap and track sight word sentence cards, a word tracker and fidget spinner, and our infinity symbol breathing card.